Hi, my name's Stephen Williams. I'm from Lawton, Oklahoma. I'm 52 years old. Prior law enforcement. And last year, I had two different surgeries, and I have a construction remodel business that it's hard to find people to work for you. And so it kind of drove me into looking for something that I could do by myself. And I kind of got an interest in the RVs several years ago. I've had 4 of them now. I checked in the RV school and I found one in Florida, and didn't have a good feeling about them, so I started doing some research, and I found the NRVTA. And once I talked to them the first time, I was sold. When I first got here, I was pretty amazed with the school. I pulled in, she got me all checked in. The park host, he led me back to my site. Super nice guy, helped me get back in. Kind of looked around the place, drove around the place, and I thought it was a great park. It's got some nice ponds on it. The buildings are nice, the staff is wonderful. I love it. The curriculum and the instructors here at this school is top notch. They explain everything to you. You get to put your hands on it. If you have a question about something, they'll back up. They make sure that you know that they're here for you. I plan on taking the training that I receive at the NRVTA and starting a mobile RV service, and I'm also taking the inspection part of this, and I'm going to do RV inspections as well. If someone was to approach me and ask me about coming to the NRVTA, I would strongly encourage them to come to the NRVTA because of the staff and the training that you get. You're not going to receive this anywhere else.